Okay. Hi EJ. What are your views now that you're turning 20?
Old. Okay, okay. She's going to the left. Oh my god. This is very dangerous. Itong panibagong character sa vlog ko sila.
Hey everyone. So we're going out today. It's EJ's early birthday celebration and we're going to be celebrating it at BTC Samgyup at Halang. And the meetup place is at City Mall and my mom is driving me. So before that, the celebration, I decided to go early so I can spend some alone time there and buy a universal remote because our remote broke. Mama, dito. We also need these because I need to kill those mosquitoes. Mosquitoes. I'm vlogging today. What are you gonna say? I'm vlogging today.
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys. I'm I'm Angelo. Hi guys, welcome to our vlog. We're at the home of the Sea Ayers.
Our alma mater.
Yes. I've been here for 6 years ito. This whole life.
Yes, loyalty awardee. Hey y'all, so we're on the way to Aira's house because she's still sleeping and we have to meet up at 2:30. Actually, it's 2:30 na. Mga 3 p.m. para sabay-sabay kami na kumain. Eh, kaso she's still sleeping. So, we're gonna go rescue her, wake her up, and drive her off to BTC. So, I'm with Angelo, and EJ is driving the birthday boy. He has infinite aura. We're here!
Listen,
Era!
Ira, come out.
Era! Wait, wait. Okay, here pala, here pala. Okay. Hi! Hello. This is Era's house. You guys can stalk and kill her now.
Oh, tangerines, bro.
My name is Kushla. What's your name?
Si Brown.
That's very. That's an interesting take.
Two, three, go. Hi guys, welcome to our vlog. So Kushla is currently driving EJ's e-bike and teka lang, Kushla, dahan-dahan lang. Okay, okay. She's going to the left. Oh my god. This is very dangerous. Find out next time on our mini vlog. Kushla will get hit by a big truck. Oh no.
Yeah, 20. We have mga 20s natin so far. Si Rog, si Kuya AJ, si Kev, you, si Ben?
20 na si Ben, di ba? Ikaw ba?
So 4 or 5.
Oh, that's up.
This is Ares subdivision, guys. It's very beautiful. If I was here, I would drive e-bike all along.
Why is there subdivision
And
all
it's so cool because you can see Mount Makiling. There, look at that.
So, ako nga pala si Rochon James Omdejuan, itong panibagong character sa vlog ni Kushla. And di ko alam kung rinig, pero tiwala na lang.
Konnichiwa. Hi, Sega.
Greetings. Happy birthday. Ito yung nga pala yung happy birthday boy natin. Sana, any birthday.
Wish ko, pera.
Yes. He wishes to be rich in life. We all do. Hi. Sorry, na-late ako. Sorry. I love you, EJ. Thank you for picking me up.
Hi everyone, my name is Kusha, and today it's EJ's early birthday celebration, which is exactly what I said in the intro. And I've met up with my friends. This is a gift someone gave me, some very good friend, a very special. Woo! And today I'm with my friends. This is BTC. That's BTC. Samgyup Wings. And fun fact, we've been coming here for the last 3 years, every birthday of EJ's. So these are my friends. This is Kev.
Hello.
This is EJ, the birthday boy.
Ha? Yes? Hopefully, hindi ka ma-missing event.
Yeah. And this is Kuya EJ, another EJ.
Konnichiwa, Ezekiel Imnida.
And this is Aira.
안녕하세요. 저름 에이레입니다. 반갑습니다.
And this is Chloe.
大家好，我 Chloe.
I am Kushla. And this is
Ang inyong humble cameraman kanina, Rochon James Omdejuan.
That's not all of us actually. The others are late. So the others coming are Joram, Jazz, Bien, and Janelle. So I don't even know how EJ has enough money to feed all of us because it's of course only Korean grill. So that's a lot, and I think that's a sign to be thankful to your parents for giving you money on your birthday. And if they don't, then you will be the parent that gives your children money on their birthday. So I hope that serves as an inspirational quote to all of you.
Hey, my name's Joram, and I'm tired.
Marijanel Harabas po.
Taga saan?
Taga Kabuyaw po.
Taga saan school?
Taga Edyo Laguna po.
Kilala niyo po ba si EJ Lastones?
Ay, kilala ko po yun. Sobrang famous, yes.
Paalala?
Pakilala.
Ay, pakilala! Hello, ako si Bien, taga Enyo Laguna. At ako kaibigan ni EJ since... Teka lang,
Bilang pa ba ng kamay?
hindi...
1, 2, 3, 4. 6 years old.
6 years old ba tayo nun? Di ba 5?
May klase niyo ba?
Ang alam ko 5 years old. Kasi lumipat kami 2 years. Lumipat kami 2 years. 2 years then nakilala ko siya. So 5 years. 5 years. 3 years old ako nung lumipat.
I'm Jasmine or Jazz. Ano pa ba sasabihin ko? You like Jazz? Ano ba? Ano ba sasabihin ko? School, from LP, from LPU. He's been my friend since like grade 10. Yun.
So we're done eating, and now we're going to my very, very best friend's house, Raj. And okay, so I think we got a bit sidetracked here. We're going to Mr. DIY for I don't know what. And my friends are all here. As you have seen in the previous clip, we've introduced every single one of them, but we're still not complete. Like, there's still people who are absent today, like Arken, JM, Hannah, Ellie, who else? Thea. I did see them. I forgot, but I love you all. I forgot your names, but I love you all. Anyway, I think the next clip will be in Rog's house, and I think it'll be game night. And sana hindi ako sunduin na maaga. Live here at Mr. DIY, we have Mr. EJ. Mr. EJ, what would you do if you okay, so he said yes would go?
Huh?
What would you do if you okay, so he said yes would go?
I would say yes, but go, and yes, go, okay, and okay, yes, go.
That's a brilliant answer. A master in Q&A right here, guys. Thank you very much. So, our next interviewee here is Mr. Joram. Mr. Joram, what would you do if you okay, so he said yes would go?
Ulit?
What would you do if you okay, so he said yes would go?
I would say, okay, thank you very much, goodbye.
That is also a brilliant answer. Thank you to Mr. Joram right here.
Thank you for having me. It was a very good pleasure to be interviewed by the one and only Miss Kushla Mendoza Reyes.
And that sums up our Q&A session. See you on the next clip.
Thank you, man. Nakikinig na ako.
Hi guys, welcome to our mini vlog. Ngayon mag-OJT ako. Kita nyo yun, ako papalitan mamaya. Tama. Ay, demonstrate. Yung mga tao, bibidyo, tapos iiwanan nila. Tapos babalikan.
Parang may pinapatama ka.
Yan,
Yung nasa likod mo eh.
That's cinematic.
Kasi, di ba may pupuntahan sila, tapos yung camera iiwan. Tapos
Balikan ko na nga.
Ay, ikaw ba?
Ganto. Ba? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Poison in my heart is full of doubt. I got toxins in my bloodstream. You tight so feels like magic. Lagyan mo ng ibang kanta. Yun lang, guys. Perform na kayo. Kasi may ASMR.
Shoutout sa Anafi guys, shoutout sa iyo Sir Rench. Maraming salamat.
Shoutout sa OTPF na madali intindihin pero pagdating sa exams. So, yeah.
Yes.
Ikaw, anong shoutout?
Wala akong jowa eh.
Guys, if you're single,
Pagla guys, if you remember, pag lagi niyong kausap si JM, tapos magka-hangout ka, it's gay. Guys, so don't hang out with JM because he is gay. So, ang masasabi ko lang guys, you're not gay, but you're gay if you're with JM.
Jem, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. You ain't being here kasi wala ka dito eh.
You know why you're not here? Because you're gay.
JM, this is specifically for you. Shot, shot, shot. Whoa. This is what 20-year-olds do, guys. Uwi na ako, guys. Bye.
Uwi ka na.
This is birthday boy.